What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. I am over here about to walk into the facility. I don't know which way it is though, but we're gonna show you a fun event, Heritage. Nonetheless, let's get this started and welcome to the show. Pretty dope event. It looks like they have they're cooking some stuff over there. They got a bunch of wine to try around, so I'm gonna check things out and let you guys know what it is. There's a lot of people already here. Once I got here, I think they had the early bird passes. I missed out on those, so yeah, let's check it out. So they got some stuff going on over here. They got some sides and whatnot. We're getting everything. It's crazy. Got myself a nice little taco from the taco stand, so about to try this. And I'll let you guys know how it is. Hey!
Chenin blanc here from France, going with the steam bun.
Okay.
The more typical style Chenin blanc.
Okay, thank you. Next up, we have this dumpling here. It looks pretty nice. Looks like it got some sort of like ink seasoning in there, stuff like that. So let's give that a shot. So this event is about like all of the chefs cooking all sorts of stuff and trying all sorts of food and voting to see who's the best. But in all reality, it's going to be extremely hard to vote who is the best or who has the best food because they all are good.
Hi, we have a take on a Cubano here. So we have a savory waffle with the pickle inside of it, homemade mortadella, Swiss cheese mornay, and a carrot habanero hot.
About to try some, it looks like it's whiskey, I don't know, but I'm gonna see and check this out. Have, they call it the Gold Rush, but it's a whiskey based cocktail, and it tastes so much like a whiskey sour, so I appreciate them. Cheers for that, guys. Then I'm gonna try this out. It's brain engram. I don't know. Give it a shot. Famous chef. I can't remember what restaurant he's from, but yeah, he's known locally. So famous chef. Yeah, let's give it a shot to what they got. One more whiskey spot here. Came through. About to get indulged in whiskey. See what's going on, and then complement that with some sweets. Another savory whiskey cocktail. I might go and try the neat ones. I want to try a little bit of a neat whiskey right now. You know, just want to kick it for a second, hang out, check things out. But this one's on the sweeter side, more like a Kentucky Derby situation, but we'll see what's going on. Cheers, guys. Next up, we have, it looks like some Hawaiian food. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to ask, but pretty dope. Got the cameraman, but I'm also my own cameraman. What's up? Hire me.
And if you like our food, we'd appreciate your vote today as well.
Alright, next up we have Pau Hana, and look at that, succulent pig. Yes sir. Give it a shot, see what they got, see what they don't, and then we'll move forward. My man's shooting his own stuff too. Next up we have this, I actually didn't know what it was, and I didn't pay attention to what it was. But it looks like a fried meatball, I don't know. With a little sriracha mayo at the bottom. Cheers. I don't know if it's potato or rice, but it's a nice croquette. That's what it is. One of my favorite breweries, Guinness. The reason being is because with Guinness you can make a half and half, also known as dark and tan. And yeah, just gonna check this out and try me some ale. Next up, gin. Yeah, wild, right? Gin. But they got some drinks over there, so I'm gonna give it a shot, see what's up.
We'll be
Next up,
announcing the winner
Coco
of the
Americano.
round.
I'm gonna check this out, see
Enjoy
what
the
they
rest of
got.
your time.
Maybe get some napkins. Not exactly knowing what this is, but it looks like it's some pork on some French baguette, some radicchios or pickled radishes, some touch of cilantro and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give this a shot, see what's up. Next up we have, I don't know, I think it's a French creme brulee, but I'm gonna give it a shot. French creme brulee, my ultimate sweet favorite. Got all sorts of stuff in here. We're gonna give it a shot and see what's up. Next up, Angel's Envy. Beautiful whiskey, more whiskey. There's all sorts of whiskey out here, so let's give it a shot. See what they got.
Hello.
Hey, what
How
do we have
doing?
going on? I'm good. How are you?
Good. So paper plane, Manhattan, or need more of the rye for you?
I will do the paper plane, please.
Go ahead and grab
thank
one.
you.
You're very welcome.
Favorite drink of all time, literally. The paper plane, all time favorite drink. Cheers, guys. I'm happy that they have this out here. You don't understand how happy I am that they have the paper plane out here.
Got leftover of the paper plane for you.
Whoa, guys, everything here is worth it. It was about 135 to come in here after tax and everything. But like, look, my guy knows what's going on. It was all worth it. I am not kidding. I love every single bite of everything that they have, and I love every single drink that they have, especially the paper plane.
DJ Booth.
Next up, it is the pierogi.
This is Leslie Miller.
The winners of the event, guys, Pahana. It sounds like this is the second year in a row that they take it. Last year I did not attend this event because I heard of it the day of, but we're here now, so enjoy, check it out.